Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, March 19th, 2021, and I gotta look at time of 5:40 in the morning. We got over here is American Airlines flight number 3703, I believe, with service going to Chicago. American Airlines followed by Envoy. Getting the pushback tongue ready to go. I remember a long time ago, they nobody pushed back. They just pull out and make a U-turn. But sadly, we have American Airlines. Also, up in my Mesa Airlines, I think. CRJ 900 with service to Dallas, Texas. I'm hoping to get the Delta connection of Endeavor CRJ 200, which supposed to be a CRJ 900 going to Atlanta, Georgia, departing. Because I used to fly on CRJ 900 just like that. I'm going to Atlanta, Georgia back in February of 2019. Once they're pulling away the ground power unit. No, wait, never mind, the belt loader. Out the way for the Chicago bound Embraer 145. We will be back shortly. Already they are pushing back. Let's say 8 minutes early. Can you hear the engine starting?
Attention passengers, you are required to maintain close control of your bags and packages at all times prior to boarding your flight. Do not attempt to transport or unknown vehicles.
Nope, that didn't work out so well. Okay, that's it. Waiting for takeoff. Alrighty, American Airlines invited by Envoy flight number 3703 with service to Chicago. Here, International Airport has been cleared for takeoff. Let's say turn right or left to the heading of 230. And goes to Never Air, CRJ 200, supposed to be a CRJ 900 with service to Chicago. No, Atlanta, Georgia, my phone. They have to cancel the Envoy flight to Chicago. They have to cancel takeoff clearance for about 2 minutes, I'm guessing. So now they're onto the runway for departure. Takeoff one earbud. Looks like Endeavor is texting pretty fast. Here we go, Endeavor, American Airlines, followed by Envoy, flight number 3703, takeoff to Chicago here, departing right now.
It is a violation of airport regulations to leave vehicles unattended in front of the terminal building. Unattended vehicles will be ticketed or towed.
And they're airborne. That will be it. Alrighty, let's say Delta Airlines by Endeavor Air with service to Atlanta, Georgia. this be our next flight information.
Security page for United passenger order. Please make your way to gate B11. Doors will be closing momentarily and will not reopen.
Going to Atlanta, Georgia for Delta connection. Delta Airlines followed by Endeavor. Endeavor. And I lost the plane. Oh, there it goes. Going to Atlanta, Georgia. Delta Airlines followed by Endeavor. And that's it. Alrighty, United Airlines, everybody, SkyWest Airlines, there it goes. Embraer 175 with service to Chicago, Old Livery. Taxiing to runway 27 via Charlie, Alpha, and cross runway 23. And that's it. Alrighty, United Airlines, Outer by SkyWest, departing for Chicago O'Hare International Airport. I need to refresh my ATC on my phone after I'm done recording this. There it goes. Trying to get the plane to the windows of Concourse A. And there it goes. So it's turning left, make a U-turn, and head over to Chicago here at International Airport. Very short flight. Just flying from Mississippi side of Illinois to the Lake Michigan side of Illinois. And that's it. Alrighty, our air marshals or ground crew or rainwalker is getting ready to put plane registration November 958 Lima Romeo, going to Dallas, Texas. American Eagle are operated by Air Shuttle.
Help us stop the spread of COVID-19. Please be mindful of others and keep at least 6 feet of distance whenever possible.
Looks like it's a completely full flight. Oh, Diamond Hugger, where there's running because it's pushing back a little bit too fast. No, she's back. I think it's she. Excuse me. It's been 2 minutes and 23 seconds into this video, and oh, there they go. No, they stop. Be right back. Alrighty, I've been sitting there for about 5-10 minutes. They're on their way to the runway. For American Eagle, American Airlines, owned by Air Shuttle, for the call sign going to Dallas, Texas, Dallas Fort Worth International Airport. Did a lot of filming today and I can't wait for airport, because on airport we're going to be doing some more plane spotting, and we'll be on the plane as well, going from Moline, Illinois to in Dallas, Texas, and then off to Santa Rosa, California. On the way back, we're thinking about doing United from Santa Rosa to San Francisco, super duper short flight. And then San Francisco to Chicago, and then Chicago back over here, where we're currently at right now, Quad Cities International Airport in Moline, Illinois. Let's see you guys at takeoff. Oh, actually filming takeoff from where we're at right now. Alrighty guys, American Airlines, operated by Air Shuttle, flight number 5850, service to Chicago O'Hare International Airport. Once they took off the runway, they'll be turning left onto a heading of 230. Looks like winds are gusting to 14 knots. And it's also quite cloudy, as you guys can tell. Along with rain showers. And here they go. Get to the windows. There they go.
Attention passengers. You are required to maintain close control of your bags and packages at all times prior to boarding your flight. Do not accept bags or packages for transport from unknown individuals.
Can't see them no more, and that's it.